Sakshi Math Bee is an annual competition where we trust the mathematical provoke a student across Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And it's sixth edition now, and it's getting bigger and better like never before. And welcome to the grand finals of Category 1 of Sakshi Math Bee for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, presented by Dukes Wafi in association with Trips International School Rajahmundry. And the first round, everyone gets 2 questions each. Yes, you all know that, right? If you get both questions right, you make through the next round. If you get both questions wrong, you will be eliminated. You will get the third tiebreaker. So if you get one right and one wrong, then you will get a third tiebreaker question to try and make it to the next round. After that, it's a single question elimination till we reach our winners. And we have B Master here. Okay, now I hand over to the B Master.
Alright, we'll start with Category 1. All the very best, guys. I know you're going to do great. So first up, we'll call Ellen V. Sriram Madidara from DAV Public School, Safilguda, Hyderabad. You ready? Can we have a first question, please? How much should be subtracted from 61 to get 29? And your timer starts now. A31, B29, C32 and D33.
C.
You are correct. Your answer is C. That's the right answer. Alright, can we have the next question, please? 24 tricycles have how many wheels? And your time starts now. A48, B82, C96 or D72?
D.
D72? Is that your answer? Are you sure? Yes, 72 is the right answer. Alright, next up we have Karthikeyan Nedumolu, who is already here. So can we have the first question, please? Find the missing number 45 minus 29. And your timer starts now. A18, B16, C24 and D17.
B16.
Are you sure with your answer?
Yeah.
Alright, B16 please. That's the right answer. Can we have the next question, please? Ratna planted 14 plants in a backyard, 12 in the front yard and 9 in the sidewalk. How many plants did she plant altogether? And your time starts now. A35, B26, C27 and D38.
Answer A35.
Are you sure with your answer?
Yeah.
A35. That's the right answer. Next up, we have Venkata Alok Dantu from DAV Public School, Hyderabad. Ready? Alright. Can we have the first question, please? Find 12 more than 10, 21. And your timer starts now. 22, 10, 33, 22, 22, 33 or 22, 11. C22 and 33. Are you sure? Can we check the answer? That's the right answer. Alright, can we have the next question, please? Raj was born in March 12, 1996. How old will he turn in March 12, 2008? And your time starts now. A12, B8, C11.
12 years.
He'll be 12 years old. Are you sure? Can we check the answer? 12 is the right answer. Next up, we'll have Athar Trivedi Atharv, you ready?
Yes.
Alright, can we have the first question? Find how many more do you need to make 59 from 13? And your time starts now. A 64, B 45, C 46 and D 44.
Option C.
Option C 46. Are you sure with
Yes.
your answer?
Yes.
Alright, can we go with 46? That's the right answer. Alright, can we have the next question? 5 tomato plants are in one row, 6 corn plants are in the same row. How many corn plants are there than tomato plants? And your time starts now. A1.
Option A.
Option
A.
A. 1.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, can we go with option A? Next up, we have Kantamani size 3 Lalita. Let's start with the first question. E is the fifth letter in the word of which of the following? And your time starts now. A step, B apple,
Apple.
are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, can we go with B apple? That's the right answer. Can we have the next question, please? Find the number that comes before 6 in words. And your time starts now. A5, B7, C4 or D9.
5.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, let's go with A5. That's the right answer. Next up, we have Chundru Ishani from Trips International School, East Godavari. Are you ready? All the best. Can we have the first question, please? Select the wrong one from the following. Okay? Your time starts now. A 29 minus 13 equal to 16. B 24 plus 41 equal to 55. C 36 minus 9 equal to 27. Or D 13 into 9 equal to 117.
Option C.
Option C.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Let's go with option C. I'm sorry, that's the wrong answer. Option B is the right answer. But no worries, you have another question. You can try that out. George has 5 pieces of candy in his lunch. Yeah. So George has 5 pieces of candy in his lunch. Fred has 2 fewer candies than George. How many candies does Fred have? And your time starts now. A2, B3, C5 or D7?
Option B.
Option B3. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go with B. B is the right answer. Next up, we'll have Aditya Nanapaneni from VP Siddhartha Public School, Vijayawada. Are you ready, Aditya? Can we have the first question, please? What must I subtract from 41 to make 13? And your time starts now. A 26, B 28, C 27 and D 24.
B.
B 28.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, we'll go with B. B is the right answer. Alright, can we have the next question, please? Which symbol, when placed in the blank space, will make the number sentence correct? The sentence being 4 plus 3, the whole multiplied by 3, dash 3 plus 3, the whole multiplied by 4. The time starts now. A greater to, B less than, C equal or D none of these.
B, sir.
Are you sure with B?
Yes, sir.
Alright, we'll go with B. B is the right answer. Right, next up, we have K. Jashvika Chaudhary from Vishwa Bharati School from Anantapur. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All the best. And the other first question, please. The sum of 64 plus 9 is equal to what? And your time starts now. Your options being A. 13 plus 59, B. 17 plus 54, C. 10 plus 62 or D. 50. I'm sorry, time is up. So no worries, you have another question to try. The correct answer was D, 53 plus 20. No worries, you have another question. You can try. Choose the smallest number. And your time starts now. Your options being 66 plus 19, 13 plus 63, 72 plus 17, and 36 plus 29.
Option A.
Are you sure? Can we go with option A? I'm so sorry, that's the wrong answer. Next up, can we have Pritika Lavanya from Chirek School, KP Branch, Hyderabad. Are you ready, Pritika? All the best. Alright, can we have the first question? A garden has 8 rows of flowers each.
40.
The timer starts now. And as you made it very
D.
D. Alright, can we go with D? The answer is right.
Applause, please.
40 is the right answer. Alright, can we have the next question? The addition fact for 2 into 7 is how much? And your time starts now. A, 8 plus 8 plus 8. B, 2 plus 2 plus 2.
C.
7 plus 7.
C.
Or D, 9 plus 9 plus 9. Alright, so you want to go with C, 7 plus 7? That's the right answer. Very good. Next up, we have Skanda Veerabhadra from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavans, Hyderabad. Alright, are you ready? All the best. There are 8 flowers in the garden.
4.
Okay. So the timer starts now. We'll just, that's a formality. B. Alright.
B4.
Can we go with
I'm
B4?
sure.
Yes, you are sure. That's the right answer. Very well done. Can we have the next question, please? Total, how many girls are jumping? And your time starts now. A is 10, B is 5, C is 15, D is 20.
D. 20.
D 20. Alright, can we go with D20? That's the right answer. Up next, we have J. Nirmai from Vishwa Bharati English Medium School from Anantapur. Are you ready? Alright, let's have the first question. Which is equal to the sum of 25 and 56? And your options are A. 49 plus 14, B. 59 plus 24, C. 47 plus 34, or D. 25 plus 37.
Option B.
Option B, 59 plus 24. Are you sure? Alright, can we go with 59 plus 24? So sorry, that's the wrong answer. The correct answer is C, 47 plus 34. Can we have the next question, please? Which is the longest among these? And your time starts now. Your options being A, eraser, B, pencil, C, sharpener, or D, scale.
Scale.
Are you sure with your answer? Let's go with scale, which is D. That's the right answer. Next up, we have Dara Havish from Cornerstone School, Hyderabad. Alright, are you ready?
Yes.
All the best. Okay. First question. What is the result when you subtract 59 and 17? And your time starts now. A, 76 minus 34, B, 67 minus 24, C, 86 minus 45, or D, 76 minus 33.
A.
A, 76 minus 34. Are you sure with your answer?
Yes.
Alright, we'll go with A. And A is the right answer. And we have the second question, please. What number is 19 more than 53? And your time starts now. A 73, B 72, C 85, or D 65?
B 72.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, let's go with B 72. That's the right answer yet again. Next up, we have Kondapalli Venkata Sai Mahit from Trips International School, East Godavari. Alright, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All the best. Can we have the first question, please? There are 6 horses. 5 horses ran away. How many are left? And the time goes right now. A2, B3, C1, and D5.
Option C 1.
Are you sure with your option?
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's go with option C. That's the right answer. Can we have the next question, please? Which is equal to 1 less than 3040? Okay? And your timer starts now. Your options being A, 3000 plus 40 minus 2. B, 3000 plus 3 into 10 plus 9. C, 3500 minus 3 into 10 plus 9. Or D, 3000 plus 42 minus 2.
Option C.
Are you sure with your option?
Yes, sir.
Alright, can we go with option C? It's the wrong answer, I'm so sorry. Alright, lastly, we have Sanvi Domakuntla from Don Bosco School, Hyderabad. Can we have the first question, please? Rupees 620 equal to dash rupees 100 notes plus dash rupees 10 notes. So you have to fill in the blanks here, okay? Your time starts now. Yeah, your options being
Option A.
Are you sure with your answer?
Yes.
Alright, can we go with option A? I'm sorry, that's the wrong answer. The correct answer is option B. Can we have the second question, please? Which is equal to the number just after 7009? And your options are, your timer starts now, and your options are A, 8000 minus 800 minus 90, B, 7000 plus 5 plus 4, C, 8000 minus 890 minus 100, or D, none of these.
Option.
Option C. Are you sure? Let's go with option C. Option C is the right answer. So at the end of first round, most of them answered the right answer, but there's only one person, K. Jashvika Chaudhary, who's been eliminated, so that's unfortunate. There are a lot of people who've been directly gone to the second round. Now we'll start with the tiebreaker. First up, we have Chundru Ishani from Trips International School. Are you ready? All the best. Subtract rupees 62 from rupees 103.50. How much remains after the subtraction? Your options are A, rupees 41.50, B, rupees 42, C, 42.50, or D, rupees 40. Are you sure with your answer?
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's go with option A. Option A is the right answer. Alright, next up, can we call J. Nirmay? Are you ready? Alright. Each bottle of juice contains 300 ml of juice. How much liquid is present in 7 bottles? And your time starts now. Your options being A, 2 liters, B, 2.1 liters, C, 2.4 liters, or D, 1.7 liters. 1.8 liters, I'm sorry.
Option B.
Are you sure with your answer? Alright, we'll go with option B. B is the right answer. Next up, we have Kondapalli Venkat Sai Mahit. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Varun's height is 5 feet 4 inches. He balances a stick that is 3 feet 10 inches. How far is the tip of the stick from the ground? Okay. And your time starts now. Your options being A 9 feet, B 8 feet 10 inches, C 9 feet 2 inches, or D none of the above.
Option C.
Are you sure with your answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go with option C. That's the right answer. Alright, lastly, we have Sanvi Domakuntla from Don Bosco School, Hyderabad. Alright, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's have the next question on the screen, please. Subtract rupees 32 from 51.50. How much money remains? And options are A rupees 19.50, B rupees 20.50, C rupees 21.50, or D rupees 20.
Option A.
Option A 19.50. Okay, let's go with option A. That's the right answer. Alright, so at the end of the tiebreakers, the 4 people who had appeared for tiebreakers, all of them have qualified to the final round. So now henceforth, just to make it clear once again, each question you'll be given 30 seconds to answer. Okay? So first up, we'll call Ellen V. Sriram Madidara from DAV Public School, Safilgoda, Hyderabad. You ready? Karan's height is 5 feet 4 inches. He balances a stick on his head. The total height with the stick is 8 feet 8 inches. What is the length of the stick? And your options are as given below. A 3 feet 2 inches, B 3 feet 4 inches, C 3 feet 6 inches, or D none of the above. Time is getting over.
Option B.
Option B, can we check option B? B is the right answer. He's given the right answer. Alright, next up we have Karthikeya Nedumolu, who is already here. Can you have the next question, please? Complete the series 6, 17, 28, 39, dash. And
50.
And your timer starts now. And your options are 49, 48, 51.
Option D, 50.
Alright, can we go with option D, 50? That's the right answer. Alright, next up, we have Venkata Alok Dantu. Are you ready? Alright, let's go with the first question. Subtract rupees 22 from 61.50. How much?
Rupees 50 paisa.
Are you saying A? 39 rupees 50 paisa. Are you sure?
39.
Okay, let's go with A. A is the right answer. Next up, we have Atharva Trivedi from Chirek School KP branch. Atharva, you ready?
Yes.
A shoe shop has 135 different designs of shoes. For 45 of those designs, they keep 4 sizes in stock. For the remaining shoes, they keep 3 sizes in stock. How many pairs of shoes do they have in total? And your timer starts now. A 270, B 360, C 450, and D 480. The time's up. That answer was C 450. Alright, good try. end of second round. We have 6 people who have qualified for the next round. Alright. Now we are going to have another round where again it's the same thing, one question elimination. Alright. Are we clear about that?